Welcome to Product Critique. In today's review, we're taking a close look at the best dishwasher in its class, the COMFEE Portable Mini Dishwasher. A countertop, compact, stainless steel marvel that delivers full-sized performance in a miniature frame. Whether you're in a small apartment, an RV, or just short on space, this is a product that truly redefines convenience. Let's start with the design. Right out of the box, the COMFEE dishwasher feels premium. It sports a sleek stainless steel finish that looks modern and clean on any countertop. But the beauty isn't just skin deep. The unit is compact, yet thoughtfully engineered, with a built-in 5-liter water tank, which means no complicated installation or water hookups are needed. You can set it up wherever you have a plug and a bit of counter space. Now let's talk about functionality. The COMFEE features 6 wash programs: normal, rapid, steam, fruit, glass, and baby care. That's a huge range of flexibility for such a small unit. The rapid cycle gets your dishes done in 40 minutes, perfect for when you're in a rush. Baby care and glass modes add another layer of protection for delicate items, using high-temperature sterilization to ensure hygiene and safety. Speaking of temperature, this dishwasher heats water up to 162 degrees Fahrenheit, which is ideal for killing germs and removing stubborn food residue. Combine that with its 360-degree dual spray arms, top and bottom, and you get thorough, efficient cleaning even in hard-to-reach corners. The spray pattern is impressively effective, ensuring that each dish, bowl, and utensil gets a complete rinse. One of the standout features here is the air dry function. After each cycle, warm air circulates through the chamber, helping to dry dishes more effectively and reduce water spots. It's energy efficient, cuts down on manual drying, and saves time, especially helpful if you're running multiple loads during the day. Now let's talk usability. The LED control panel is straightforward and intuitive. There's also a transparent window on the door, so you can actually see your dishes getting cleaned, a small touch, but one that gives peace of mind and a sense of satisfaction. Another plus is the noise level. This machine runs at around 58 decibels. That's quieter than most standard dishwashers, so it won't disturb your workflow, sleep, or conversations. There's a special cycle designed just for that, which comes with its own fruit basket. It's this kind of versatility that makes the COMFEE such a great value. Let's not forget portability. Because of the compact size, low weight, and no plumbing setup, this unit is a dream for people on the move. RV owners, tiny home dwellers, students, this machine was made with you in mind. If you've got limited space but don't want to compromise on cleanliness or convenience, this dishwasher is for you. It's ideal for singles, couples, small families, travelers, and anyone living in a compact space. It's also perfect for those who rent and don't want to invest in built-in kitchen appliances. At the end of the day, the COMFEE Portable Mini Dishwasher punches far above its weight class. With 6 thoughtful wash modes, high-temp sanitation, air drying capability, no-hassle setup, and an ultra-compact form factor, this is hands down the best countertop dishwasher available. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. For more in-depth reviews on the products that make your life easier. See you in the next one.